Well, thank you for dressing appropriately for
Yes,
court.
ma'am.
All right, what happened to the neck?
I don't know. I don't even know. It's like a little pimple was there. I gotta go to like get it cut or something. Not like an ingrown hair. I think.
Did you go to the doctor?
I haven't went yet.
All right, people, here's the thing. This is what I know. I know I'm not a medical doctor, but what I know is things have changed now. You can't just be doing things on your own at the house.
Home remedies.
Yeah, you can't do some of the home remedies. You can't do it now because people putting hormones in everything we eat. That's just a side note.
Yeah.
You
And that's
better,
what I tried. A home remedy. I tried to cut it. It was like a little pimple, so I tried to cut it myself. And
what did you cut it with?
like a little razor.
Oh my gosh, I hope you cleaned that razor.
Yeah, I did. Yeah.
Yeah,
I put some peroxide and stuff on it.
Okay, I'm not a doctor, but you should probably
All right.
go
See a
to
doctor.
Yeah.
see a doctor about that because germs get in it. You know, I will tell you one thing. I'm not a doctor, but Cornelius, you know what I do know? You can't survive without your neck. They're not doing neck implants.
Yeah, no.
Once the neck goes,
Everything.
it's gone.
I'm glad you told me. I'm gonna go ASAP.
Yeah, you need to go. You should. All right, so what are we doing on this case, Mr. Cox?
We got an offer today, Judge.
Okay,
And we just need a setting. I need to confer with my client on it.
all right.
Do some things and
How much time do you want?
30 days, if I can get it.
All right, this is
But that's not,
this is a new case. 45 is pushing it.
okay.
All right,
30.
Ms. Ferguson, on Dennis Johnson, if I could have a plea deadline date for 30 days, please. Oh, yeah, you need to go quick, fast, and hurry to that. All right, you seem a little unsteady. What's going on?
Nothing, mate. I'm good. I'm good now.
Okay.
Under the circumstances, Judge, you got a big bandage on your neck.
Oh, yeah, you need to go get that checked out.
I can do July 30th.
All right, we'll come back on July 30th.
Boy.
All right,
That's
once you sign the
sufficient
reset
heritage.
form, you're excused to go to the Well Med Center or wherever people go.
Okay. All right.
Guys, tell them that's dangerous.
Thank you, man. I
All right.
appreciate it.
You know, that's like in the Western movies you see where somebody gets a gunshot wound and they just pour booze on the knife or either burn it in the campfire and the person passes out. I mean, is that what we're doing now? He got to take care of that.
I have a Dunbar, he's on the Zoom.
So, yeah. Yes.
This is a old case, 1983. Back then it was a bond forfeiture and I paid the fee itself on the bond forfeiture. So I don't know what's it's, I don't know, I don't think he's in jail.
All right. Yes, and I don't know, so is this it appears that this was a case that was indicted in 1983.
Right.
And that is still on this docket some kind of way. I wasn't even in Texas in 1983. Yes. Enjoying my best life before I started adulting, where my bills became my own and nobody else's.
Yeah, but it was a bond forfeiture and I paid the bond forfeiture on it. So
Okay.
I don't know.
All righty. State, we have a case from 1983.
Yes.
So, and yes. They are not present. So, counsel, you're still listed as hired.
I'm gonna file a notice of to withdraw because I haven't seen him since he.
All right, and I don't have your notice. Let me see.
Yeah, I'd be curious to see what the 1983 notices look like.
Well, I can tell you the true bill of indictment is typed. All right, so the state will need to, I guess, do some investigation to see if they have the complainant.
Okay.
And then what I'll do is I'll reset it so that you can perhaps get a chance to see if you can find your client. And then if you wish to withdraw, the court will hear that.
Thank you, Judge.
Because maybe, you think maybe they're in custody somewhere?
I don't think so, Judge.
All
Yes.
right. So the state will have to get with their investigator to see if where this person is. And then I guess people will file appropriate motions based upon this is a 1983 case. Let me see. All right. So what we'll do is I'll reset this, and then if anyone wants to file motions, the court will hear those motions. And we'll see if, I think there's a warrant still for his arrest.
Right.
Yes, so there's still a warrant for his arrest. So we'll recall it at the end of July to see where we are.
Hey, Judge.
Thank you, Judge.
All right,
Excuse-
Norma, if we're, yes, recall this for July 30th. Thank you.
Morning, afternoon, Your Honor.
Afternoon. So here's the thing. Don't send a message to the court with profanity in it. Number one, your case is set on the day it's set. The person who you need to perhaps send that to is the person who is not here.
Correct.
Do you unfold your arms? So don't do that. One, you need to speak to your attorney, and your attorney needs to be here. This case has been set numerous times waiting for your attorney. So the fact that you have what you put in your letter, I have bills to pay. I'm not a scrub.
Correct.
I have my own house and car now and have to pay the bills.
That's correct.
That's who you need. You need to be sending that to your attorney.
Which
not
I
the
have,
court.
which I have.
And there's nothing I can do with that.
And then you sending me here every day,
Mhm.
every day.
Yeah.
How am I gonna pay bills?
Yeah.
You say this is
You
a
need
place
to-
of communication.
Well, here's the communication. You need to talk to your attorney, because guess what? The court schedule doesn't revolve around your attorney. It doesn't revolve around you.
And not
This
to be rude
case-
or anything, but
here's
he
the thing.
doesn't revolve around you.
This
Either
case-
he has stuff to do, he has
Okay.
federal inmates out of
Yeah.
county.
All
I
right,
can't
so-
make him. I tried.
All
I
right,
tried.
so this is what we're gonna do. Oh, we're gonna wait for his attorney. Okay, thank you.
May I be excused or?
Yeah, we're waiting for your attorney.
He's not gonna show up till the 3rd.
No, Norma, send an email to his
I did.
people, his office, to let him know he needs to be here.
I believe he's in Guadalupe County today and another county, I don't know which county.
In alphabetical order, Bear comes before all of those counties.